Panny's QAMT, it's 5 tools in one. It's a quick attach multi-tool. Number 1, it's a 3-point hitch quick connect. Number 2, it's a trailer mover. Number 3, it's a hydraulic press. Number 4, it's a tire breaker. And number 5, it's hands-free log splitter. All in one tool. Panny's QAMT, 5 tools in one. Number 1 is a 3-point hitch quick connect. It's a category 1 3-point hitch quick disconnect mounted to a Bobcat receiver plate. It's mounted on a specific angle to match the equipment you're about to see. Number 2 is a trailer mover. This tool has no rival for moving small trailers. There's absolutely no handwork involved. Whether you're using a pintle hitch or a ball. It makes no difference. Awesome versatility. What makes it so good is the visibility and maneuverability that you have with this tool. And this is part of Panny's QAMT, the Quick Attach Multi-Tool. Simplicity by design from start to finish. Number 3 is a hydraulic press. The hydraulic unit is self-standing for easy storage. Attaching the quick connect to the hydraulic unit is a simple matter. Once the 2 units are mated, you simply hook up your hydraulic hoses and you're good to go. It remains on the lever during the downstroke for safety. It stops on the release, and there's a safety at the bottom so that you can't overstress the hydraulic system. It's hands-free on the return, and at the very top there's a safety shutoff. Release the handle and it will stop at any point. There's a variety of quick change heads that come with this unit, from punching holes to bending metal to removing tires. Small tires are exceptionally tough to break, but with this tool it's a breeze. You can put different attachments on for different size tires, and it's simple and easy to do. Number 5 is a hands-free log splitter. As I'm getting older, I really don't want to pick up anything, so I made this so that it's true hands-free operation. You can just pick up anything, move it around, and split it into 4 pieces at any level, at any height. You can use it horizontal or vertical, your choice, or at any height. The wedge at the front allows the operator to shift, sort, and separate logs. Simply pick up any log, lift it up, hold it over your trailer, and split it into 4 pieces. Truly hands-free. Okay, here we get into the meat of it. We got ejectors, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then it ejects the stuck logs on the return. Ejectors 1 and 2 are easy to see. They're right up front, and 3 and 4 obviously are back behind. We'll try that again, just so you can see 3 and 4 back there. What separates us from every other hands-free log splitter on the market is where we carry the load. Very important. You'll notice that Panny's log splitter carries the load very close to the front wheels. This allows us to carry a heavier load with a smaller machine, effectively doubling the load capacity of the machine. You can see all of my latest videos on YouTube. Just search my phone number, 519-996-0185, with no hyphens and no spaces. If you're out on a job working and need to move a trailer, now you know what that front little piece is for. If you have any questions, give me a call. I'd be happy to answer them. Work hard or work smart. The choice is yours. But whatever you do, have fun and work safe.